सर बहुत सही बात कही। और दुर्गेश जी, जिस तरीके से हम बात करें आंध्र प्रदेश की टूरिज्म पॉलिसी की 24-29 आपने बताया, और स्पेसिफिकेशंस कुछ आप बताइए कि वो पॉलिसी जब आपने रेडी की थी तो क्या क्या उसमें मेन की फीचर्स डाले थे जो आपको लगा था ज़रूरी है इस स्टेट को टूरिज्म के पर्सपेक्टिव से उठाने के लिए?
Mainly the incentives that are being extended to the investors in Andhra Pradesh, especially SGST reimbursement and the power charges reimbursement.
Okay.
And the power charges, like industries, we are providing them the same rate, and development of land and encouragement of land. The people who come with good proposals, हम लैंड देता है, लैंड पार्सल हम पब्लिक डोमेन में पुट कर दिया। इसीलिए a particular project is very much interested, if anybody comes forward to take up one project, if that proposal is good and if they are backing up with some good promoters, naturally we are providing them with land parcel. Rozgar, employment. Employment is main for our state. Because we have brought one particular policy that those who provide more employment, that projects will be benefited more from our Andhra Pradesh. That is the one important aspect. So employment generation is top priority for us, and we feel that Andhra Pradesh is thinking about not just investing in a particular activity, but to generate more and more employment. Tourism is such a sector which provides more and more rozgar to the youth. So, as he rightly pointed out, our government is concentrating on policy making, that is one thing, and incentives being provided to the investors. और रोजगार करने के बहुत ज़्यादा